Good morning guys, we are back for another video. We're going to Tagaytay, but first to get there we need to find a bus. We are currently here in Pitix bus terminal.
Is that actually how you say it?
No, I'm not sure. PITX. I don't know how you say it, but it's in Parañaque. But yeah, you can actually get loads of buses. If you're going down Luzon, like you're going to Bicol, Legazpi and that, you can literally get the bus here. But yeah, we're gonna find the bus. We're just gonna ask some random people where we're gonna get the bus. But yeah, so make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and then we'll meet you in Tagaytay. Alright guys, so we just got on the bus. We don't know how much it actually costs.
They'll probably give us a...
Yeah, and I can't read it, only Zoe can. So
yeah, I'll tell you the price.
Yeah, let's go to Tagaytay.
Okay guys, so we have arrived in Tagaytay. It's actually my first time here. How many times have you been here, Zoe?
I've only been here...
Once?
I can remember my sister's wedding, but I've been here, not in the actual city, but I've been to Tagaytay when I was little, but I can't remember anything.
And Zoe used to have family that lived here too. But today is pretty exciting because we've decided to treat ourselves to a really nice hotel. We don't normally do that. We normally have a strict budget of like 1,200 pesos a night. But we've had like 3 months of pretty hardcore budget travels. So tonight we are treating ourselves, right?
Escala kayo, sir, ha?
Ano kaya?
Escala kayo?
Oo, kaya Escala.
Sir, hindi ko kayo matadaan dito, sir, ha? Iikot ko kayo kasi makuhuli ako, bawal ako dito, sir.
Sige lang kaya.
Basta Escala, gano'n.
So we are currently on our way to the Escala Hotel. We are in, like, what is this called? It's a tricycle, but an e-trike, right?
Gas to, sir, eh.
Hi gas. Oh, I see. It's like an e-trike, but it's a gas.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So it took us just over 2 hours. It's meant to be an hour and a bit, but we kept stopping, like getting people to come on and getting off the bus. So yeah, it was very cramped though. Like there's quite a lot of vendors and they were literally like touching my leg. Yeah, boy. But yeah. Alright guys, so we have arrived at Escala Tagaytay Resort and it looks absolutely amazing. Look at this, look at this. Wow. Damn, look at that. Look at the view. Oh my god. You can literally see the, like, you can see the clouds. Can you not see it? Like the condensation?
Yeah, and then like kind of like some like sunlight there.
Yeah.
But look at that view, guys. We've got to get on the pool tonight.
Oh my god. Oh, for sure, for sure. Oh my god, let's check in. Let's check in. We haven't even checked in. We literally walked in, got a temperature done, and literally ran straight here for this view. Oh my god.
Grab it. Oh, and the greenery looks so nice too. And that is Taal Lake.
Alright guys, our first room tour for this amazing place, Escala Tagaytay. So if you follow this way. Look at this place. You come this way guys, we got one double bed and a single. And it's only good for 2 apparently, so so if Zoe's been bad, she's going to go in the single by herself there.
No, I'm just going to have the double bed to myself and Dar's going in the single.
But we got a huge flat screen TV. We also got a fridge.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
You need a fridge. And look at this guys. Look at that handsome guy. Come on. But here's the best bit. Come this way. And here is our balcony with the view. Just sit here in the morning with a cuppa, enjoying this amazing, beautiful view. Look at that.
Okay guys, so Zara forgot to show you the bathroom, so I'll take over and do it properly. So here we've got a really cool sink. Like, look how the water flows out. It's like a waterfall tap. So that's pretty cool. We've got lots of amenities here, which is super cool. What's this one? A vanity set. And then we've got this lovely big rain shower. Look how big that is. That's massive. It's bigger than a pizza. And then we got some lovely soaps. Wow, look at that. It's so cute. Wow. Okay guys, so just a quick disclaimer, like we can't afford this. I mean, we are staying here and we are paying for it, but what I'm trying to say is this really is a real treat for us. We wouldn't normally spend this much. This is basically, we're spending what we would pay for one night. We are basically paying what is normally a week's worth of accommodation for us, but we just decided that we really wanted to have a nice, relaxing time. And I mean, the whole month in Siargao was great, but Zara and I shared a single bed for an entire month with termites in it for a whole month. And then after that, we had so many early flights, early stuff like that. I didn't really get enough sleep. And then we went up north, lots of bus rides, overnight bus rides. And then again, cheap accommodation, like nothing fancy, just strict 1,200 to 1,500 budget. And then we saw this place on TikTok with this amazing infinity pool, and we just thought, let's do it. Let's treat ourselves. Like, for us, we just need this, you know? And I think I'm just so excited to have a pool. We haven't had a pool in so long, have we?
No, we haven't. I can't remember a place where we actually stayed. I think the last time we
had a nice
pool
place
was
was maybe like May.
Yeah, Boracay.
Oh yeah, we spent one night. We had one pretty decent hotel in June.
Yeah.
We haven't had like
crazy.
anywhere with a pool or anywhere nice since May. So this is super cool, super nice, and I'm just so excited. That view is just insane. But it's like in between cloudy, then it's bright, then it's cloudy, then it's bright. So yeah, but I'm so excited. And for the next 24 hours, we're mostly gonna chill, spend lots of quality time together, and then maybe tomorrow we'll go out and explore a bit more. But I think we should go to the pool.
I think so too. It is, what time is it? I think it's about 4:30.
Yeah, so one thing that's a bit strange with this hotel, normally most hotels it's check-in at 2, you check out the next day at 12. But here it's check-in at 4, but then the next day you check out at 2. So it does work out the same amount of time, but yeah, I just can't wait. I'm so excited.
Can't wait.
And that smell, you can smell it's a nice hotel. And there's a spa here, babe. I hope they've got a menu for the spa. If it's not too expensive, massage please. So it just started heavily raining, so we decided that we'd put off going to the pool for maybe like 30-40 minutes, just so it's not as cloudy. I think the rain will pass because it's already rained like 3 times since we've been here in an hour, and then 10 minutes later it's clear again. But let's test out this bed. Oh my gosh, that is so comfy. It's the comfiest bed I've been in forever. Oh, I'm gonna have such a good sleep tonight. Oh, that's very nice on the back. It's so soft. I feel like I'm on a cloud. Wow. I wish you guys could come here too. We've got an extra bed. You could have come. So there's 24-hour room service here. I'm just looking at the menu. They've even got a festive menu. It's not even Christmas yet. Although it is nearly September, and I hear that the minute that the birds come into the months in the Philippines, it's basically Christmas. So I can see why. There's 24/7 room service, so I'm just having a look at potential options for later. Could have a midnight pizza, midnight dessert, red velvet cake. Ooh, That sounds like a good midnight snack. Syrup. Just like I said, just like that, it's clearing up again. So strange. Like 1 minute it's heavy raining and then it's clear. And then it's raining and then it's clear. It's kind of cool though. But Zara went to the gym because it's raining, but now it's not raining. So do I wait 30 minutes? Do I just call him now? Who knows?
Eventually. Alright guys, it's currently raining.
But we don't care.
But we don't care. We want to get in this pool. Like, look how amazing it is. Even though it's so foggy, we're still gonna get it. We're just gonna sulit the pool. So yeah, let's go, let's go. Is it cold? Oh, oh my god, the water is so cold. Oh. Alright, this water is bloody freezing. Oh my god. It's actually quite refreshing.
It's raining. I thought it'd be warm. I can feel the
breathing
cold in my
technique.
bones.
Breathing technique. But it is actually so foggy.
It's probably the best infinity pool I think we've ever seen, right?
Yeah. You think?
I think it's
better than Bali?
because it's bigger and there's more of an overhang.
True, true.
We do it for the experience. Wow, this hotel is beautiful though, and honestly when there's no fog the view is insane. I can't wait to show you guys, hopefully tomorrow when it's less foggy, the proper view. It's just so nice, and hopefully we can get the drone up tomorrow too.
Yes, can't wait for that one.
Yeah. Ooh. Grab it, so cold. Okay guys, so we freshened up after the swimming pool. It was super cold, but it was good.
It's so refreshing.
And it was super cloudy and like rainy, and we were like, oh no, hopefully the morning it will clear up. But it's already cleared up, but it's obviously nighttime now, but all the lights are on and we can see the city from the balcony. So I'll show you now. Let me show you. So here's our outfits for our little date night. We're going all out.
Going all out. Because we never do this actually. Normally, back in the UK, we normally go for like one date night a month. But ever since we've been here in the Philippines, we haven't really had a date night, have we?
No. So we might as well go all out.
Might as well go out while we're here. So yeah, we're gonna head upstairs and check out the restaurant. Let's go.
How was dinner?
That was so nice. It was very British, I'd say. Because we had like a pesto pasta and I had fish and chips, which I thought it was only good for one, but it was actually good for 4.
No, I'd say good for 2 when it actually came though. Yeah.
But yeah, it was so nice and I'm so full. I thought it was going to be like more expensive than what it was, but it wasn't. It's actually quite worth it and the portion's huge.
So it was 1,000 pesos, and like Zara said, the portions were pretty big. It was really tasty, and that is the most British tasting fish and chips that we've had so far.
Yes.
Like them chips were legit, proper British chips, and then the fish was as close to a British fish as you could get. It was really good. And then we decided to, we were going to get room service cake dessert later, but then we saw this counter with loads of cakes and they were a little bit cheaper than the room service one. So we ended up getting a like leche flan cheesecake.
Yeah, leche de cheesecake.
Yeah, so we bought one of them, we brought it up, put it in the fridge for later, so I'm super excited to eat that. But for now we're in a bit of a food coma. I think we're just going to watch some TV, maybe some Netflix, and
chill.
Yeah, I'm super excited to sleep tonight because this bed is so comfy. Like, it's like a cloud. And the staff here are so nice.
Yeah.
I can't believe people are so nice. Like, I was thinking, if I worked here, like, would I really be able to be like, hi mum, every 2 seconds to every single, like, you know what I mean? I just feel like I'm not nice enough for a job like this. Like, I'm nice, but I'm not over nice, you know? But they're over nice and it's great. I love it, but I don't think I'd be able to do it. But yeah, how is it? You're dying. He's got a food baby in there.
I'm ready to sleep.
Ready to sleep. Same. I'm feeling quite tired.
Yeah.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Behind me, as you can see, that is the amazing Taal volcano which erupted, I think about 3 years ago.
2 and a bit.
2 and a bit. Just before COVID, basically. But look at this view. The view is absolutely amazing.
It's kind of misty.
Yeah.
Like, it's not like clear. Like, even to our eyes, that's a little bit blurry over there.
And it's so sunny, super sunny. But also, guys, we just had breakfast. It's like a buffet, and when you stay here, breakfast is included. So yeah, it was amazing.
Taal volcano, like, even in the UK, it hit the news for days, and it was so cool seeing all the lightning inside it. Luckily, everyone was okay, but I think every now and again it still smokes a bit and goes on alert levels and things. But yeah, it's pretty cool to see what caused so much havoc.
Huh.
Okay guys, so we had our last dip before we showered and got ready, and we're just about to check out, and I know you're all wondering, like, is it worth it? What do you think?
I'd say depends on what the occasion is like.
I feel like for a treat it's definitely worth
Yeah.
it.
But
Like, it's better than any UK experience you'd get for
yeah,
the same
yeah.
price. And the pool
staff
is
are
amazing,
amazing as
staff
well.
are really good, the restaurant's really good, and actually not as
Breakfast.
expensive as we expected.
Mm.
Breakfast really good, the pool is like the best infinity pool I think I've ever seen.
Yeah.
And the beds are really comfy, smart TV. So yeah, I think for an occasion or to treat yourself, it's definitely worth it.
Or
But like,
to celebrate someone's birthday.
yeah,
then,
something
yeah,
like
it's
that.
Very worth it.
Yeah, so hopefully you like this video and you'll hopefully want to stay here too.
We'll put the link in the description down below, just so that you can check it out.
And
it
quick
looks
tip.
absolutely amazing.
Quick tip, it was much cheaper online than over the phone or on
Yeah.
booking.com, so just go straight to their website. And then now we're going to check out, and then we're going to hopefully go to 2 famous spots, but not like famous spots like touristy, well they are touristy, but like food spots.
Yeah. But we'll see how it goes. We're not gonna we only came here in Tagaytay for
To chill.
Like
relax.
we didn't really plan anything, so
Yeah.
we're planning to go back to Manila tonight.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, so we're just gonna go to 2 spots, like food cafe spots.
Well, 1 coffee shop and 1 food place.
yeah,
So
yeah, we're
let's
gonna
go.
get some lunch. So let's go.